Welcome to Juki Quilting. Today we're going to discuss the two methods for measuring your quilt on the horizontal to put it in the Quilters Creative Touch software. So the first method is, we'll do the software method first. So we're going to go to Classic View. I always go to Classic View because I'm more familiar with that. And then we can go into Panto. Because this is the first time that I have opened and started using this software today, it's going to ask me to set my safe area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to the top left, furthest up I can go. And I'm going to set top left for the safe area. And I'm going to march my quilt all the way down to the other end. And I'm going to set bottom right. So you can select the measurement button at the top. And then what you would do is you would move your machine, and you're going to watch me do it, but you probably won't be able to see me hit the buttons because it goes out of the counter camera shot. But once I get to the top left-hand side, I'm going to hit the left-hand side of the measuring tape. And then I'm going to go to the right-hand side, and I'm going to hit the right-hand side of the measuring tape. So the first thing I do is I move over to the top. And you can actually see where I have placed the quilt. The quilt is placed, or where I've placed the needle is right on the point for the corner. And then I march my machine down. March my machine down. And I'm also right on the corner again. And I hit the right-hand side of the measuring tape. Now you can see that the machine says that it's 49.066. So that's really close to what the measuring tape said. And then I would select apply measurement, and then I go in and I actually up it to, in this case I'm just going to up it to 52 because I've added my fudge space, or not 200 but 52. And then you'll remember that when we did the quilt, when we measured on the horizontal was 75. And now we know that the quilt is 52 by 75.